Hi everyone, welcome to this particular video, which is the part 4 on practice questions and answers for Leading AFe, that is AFe Agile 5.1. And I hope you watched previous videos. There were 3 more videos prepared on the same topic, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it's helping you in your learning and preparing for exams and for your understanding on safe agile questions. So yeah, let's start this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also be useful for them. All right, so let's start. The first question: what are the first 3 steps of the safe implementation roadmap? Okay, so if you want to give it a try, please take some time and think about the correct option out of the 4 options listed here. I'm not going to read it. You can read it on the screen, and then let's check the correct answer. All right, in a while. So the correct answer is the first one. So first step is reach the tipping point. The second one is train lean agile change agents. And then third, the last one is to train executives, managers, and leaders. So these are the first 3 steps of the safe implementation roadmap. All right. So there could be questions on the last 3 or 4 steps as well. So please don't forget to go through that safe implementation roadmap diagram, which will give you the correct understanding. All right. Let's move on towards the second question. What are 2 of the Agile Release Train sync meetings? Choose 2. Okay, so let's look at the options carefully. And okay, so let's choose 2 options. So the two sync meetings will be Scrum of Scrums and Product Owner Sync. Okay, I think there is some problem in the color coding, but yeah, let's move on. So the next question is, on day 2 of PI planning, adjustments are made by the group based on the previous day's management review and problem solving meeting. So what are 3 possible types of changes? Choose 3. So let's say on day 1 when PI planning happens, there are certain adjustments which can be made on the next day morning, all right, based on the management reviews and other meetings. So from these options, we have to choose 3. What are the 3 possible types of changes? Okay, so just take your time and then we will come to the right answers. So first is changes to scope, any sort of adjustment to PI objectives, and user stories. Okay, so these are the 3 correct answers. Let's move on. The next question is, which statement describes the connection between features and capabilities in a large solution? Okay, so think about it, take your time, and then we will come to the right answer in a while. So the right answer is every feature has a parent capability. Okay, and which is kind of clear enough. Let's move on. Which 3 items are found on a program board? So if you have participated in PI planning, there is a program board and it has different items on the board, right? So if you recall, let's take some time and then we will come to the right options here. So here it goes. The first one is any sort of dependencies, significant dependencies, whether it could be internal or external. Then we have features, of course, features would be there, and then the milestones. All right, I think these are the three items which are key items on any program board. Okay. The next one, Peter Drucker defines knowledge workers as individuals who know more about the work they perform than who. Of course, so knowledge workers are like are the people who are really working on the project at the lowest level. You can say that. All right. So as per Peter, they are the ones who have more knowledge about the work than who. So the right answer is their bosses. Okay. Let's move to the next question. What are the three primary keys to implementing flow? Here we have to choose three options. Okay. Take some time and then we will come to the right answer. We have to choose three, by the way. It's not just one. So the right options are, first is visualize and limit work in process. So I think this is one principle which SAFe always talks about, limit work in process. So this can be used in different other questions also in different forms. The second one is manage queue lengths. Of course, that is also important. And the third is reduce the batch sizes of work. Okay, so these are the correct options for this question. Let's move on. The Agile Release Train uses which type of teams to get work done? Hmm. Take your time, think about it. What should be the correct option? And here it goes. The cross-functional teams. I think this is very simple one. So Agile Release Train expects teams which are cross-functional in nature, so that they can take up any sort of work, right? All right, let's move on to the next one. Mm, I think it's repeated, sorry. Yeah, the next one is the Agile Release Train passes through four steps in order to deliver solutions, which includes defining new functionality, implementing, acceptance testing, and what else? So basically, we have to list down the fourth step here as part of Agile Release Train, which one is the fourth step here? Three are given, and the fourth could be, think about it, the last one of after defining new functionality, implementing, acceptance testing. The last one would be, of course, deploying, right? I think that's also clear. Let's move on. So, what is the focus of the daily stand-up meeting? First is PI objectives versus outcomes, Scrum Master goals versus development team goals, plan objectives versus program owner objectives. Then the last one, iteration goals versus what got done, right? So out of these, what is the focus of the daily stand-up meeting? Let's see the right answer. It should be the last one. Iteration goals versus what got done. Okay, so that is nothing but a sprint goal versus what was completed. All right, hope that is clear. So with this, I think we can end this video here. That was the last one. And thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if yes, then please press like and subscribe this video. Share with your colleagues, with your friends, whosoever is in need. Okay, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.